Welcome back. Today's video will be covering how to use formulas in DraftSight tables. As a recap, tables are especially helpful when looking to attach information addressing your drawings as a whole, or connecting important details pertaining to certain objects in your designs. Once you've inserted your table, single-click on the cell you want to be associated with an equation. Then, a table tab will pop up in the ribbon, with a formula icon located farthest to the right. Select the formula icon for a drop-down menu to appear, listing multiple equation options. Each formula choice does exactly what its name suggests. Sum adds up the values of specified cells, average lists their mean, count defines the number of cells you select, cell labels the total value of a specified cell, and equation allows you to manually input a formula. You can also just double-click on a cell and type an equal sign followed by a formula to activate the equation command. Once a formula is chosen, DraftSight will prompt you to specify the cells involved by selecting them directly in the drawing window. Keep in mind that the value of your equation will be inserted with 4 decimal places by default. As always, DraftSight makes it super easy to edit this. Just single-click on your formula cell to access its Properties window on the right side. Then scroll down to the Text section and manually input your preferred value in the Data text box. So try it out for yourself to do more with your DraftSight experience. If you're looking to learn more, visit the blog page or visit DraftSight.com.